Oops, I put the wrong title. Chat, I put the wrong title. Hold on, let me change it. Let me go ahead and change the title real quick. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam, brother. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, brother. Let me set up everything. Alright, today's gonna be all about upping the viewers and back testing. Because tomorrow is 8 for us, so I don't know. And I'm broke as a new hairstyle. No, I just water, I put it back. It's nothing new, brother. Let me go ahead. Gotta pause this real quick. I gotta put that there. And go and a new hairstyle. Alright, so this live stream is all about you guys, man. You know what I'm saying? If you guys need help with anything, bro, I got you hooked up, man. Yo, bro, even just started my charting session. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I like, brother. But this week, I gotta see how this week goes, cause this week only took 3 trades, and that was on Friday. No, I think I took 2 on Friday and 1 on Thursday. This week is really weird, man. Let's see if we get any setup this week. Let me go mark out this week's session open and closes. So when was the session open? When was Monday? Or Friday? Monday at 8. Right. Monday there was no setup. Tuesday there was no setup. Thursday there was, but it never hit TP because of news though. Okay. Oh, chat, right when I closed the stream, right? When did I close my stream yesterday? Whatever time I closed my stream, right after I got the stream, right? It literally gave me a setup to the buy side. Right from here to the TP1 got hit. And right here was when I'm gonna get out. But where was my entry for that? So my entry would have been right here. So I'll stop below this and go for a high. So basically, let me go to the 1 minute time frame. Oh wow, shit! What time was this? 12:24 is when we had our setup. Damn. Time is this? So right here, TP is right on my high. Damn. Oh, even on Friday we missed another setup. That's crazy, man. But that was like during lunch hour though. It's so annoying. But let's go over the whole week, man. If you guys got any question with anything, brother, I got you guys, man. But let me see how my investment is going on my fucking meme coin, bro. Damn. Chat, I'm down 80%, no, 82% on my investment on the meme coin I said, bro. Damn. Bro, I am never, like, no key, I'm probably never gonna do the meme coins again, bro. Literally, like literally $500 wasted right there. $5 to $1,000 wasted, bro. Crazy, bro. Bro, trading meme coins, bro. You guys got to be so fucking fast, bro. If you're not fast, bro, it's so hard, bro. And my slow ass, bro, I was up 3x, I thought I was gonna go higher. That's it, came right back down, took me out. Oh, damn. So basically that. So on Monday, but I was waiting on Monday for this though. I was waiting for the fair value to get touched, which did later on. Damn. Okay. So basically wait for the fair value to get touched. Not waiting for the all to get touched. Just never did. How could we have played that out? How could we play it out from here? So came down, right? Test the auto looking. Who's accumulation area? I mean, he doesn't really need to go back down there because you already touched it. But he already touched this huge accumulation area, and yeah. Okay. Touched it once. Go to 5 minute. So once he touched it once, right? Which was right here. He didn't break Shisha down, broke Shisha back up, came back down. He touched my buying opportunity right over here. So let's see what happened on this candle. Minute time frame. Should I go back to the 5 minute? See, let's see what happened here. You were in a long on FOMC or on Wednesday? On Wednesday, never hit my take profit, bro. I just broke even and they made no. I didn't make no money, bro. But I should have tried my stop loss though. So. But on Monday, bro, I was trying to catch this trade. I was just trying to get a touch of this fucking auto block. He never did that, bro. He just started going higher and higher. Which this thing right here got respected like 2 times now. A couple of times it got respected. So now we go to the 1 minute chart. Like most on crypto. Oh shit. So on crypto, I was long on on Roost. And that coin, bro, I'm down. Look, I put it like, so I first put 300, then I put what do you call it, 50 50 50. I DCA like 4 times, right? And I'm still down. Look, shit, how much am I at right now, bro? From 500, I only have 184 left. For 500. Hold on, let me see. How can I show you? That's from 500, bro. Hold up. You can see it? I don't think you can see, but it's only have $184 left from 500 I put. Bro, the meme coin is so annoying, bro. They said Angel Tate's gonna pump it up. Angel Tate never pumped it up. Liars, bro. But it's cool though. It's cool. I learned the lesson. I learned the lesson to never do meme coin again, bro. Really, where was it? So right here. Especially I'm looking for a breakup structure. So I would have entered all the way over here. Okay, so stop right below this. So what will be my take profit? So we could have definitely catch it. Wait, on there in this day, what time did I get that trade? What time did I get that trade? At what time? So it was 9:30 I got the trade. I probably will not invest in that. Yeah, bro. I like in general, meme coins are like really different from like, you know what I'm saying, investing. It's not like, you know what I'm saying, I did not invest in it. I traded it, right? So it's really different. Because meme coin, you can't invest because you can't hold them back for too long. You gotta hold the bag for a short term and get the fuck out, you know what I'm saying? But my ass holded it. Boom. I don't really care because I learned something, you know what I'm saying? I learned something from this. But the time I got this trade, right? The time I got in this trade was what time? Wait, was that right on 10 o'clock? It was. So basically, one going for wanted to take profit. I mean, this trade would have been like, TP would have been right there. But you can see, 30-minute high. Wait, what time is that? 12:30. These fucking highs are so annoying, bro. Always piss me off. It's always chat. It's always this that takes me out. It's always this levels that always take me out, man. It's annoying, bro. These levels, bro. This year would have never hit my take profit because of this level. This level literally took me out. So how could we put our take profit here? Shit. Shit, but it's not the recent session though. It's just unfortunate. I mean, if once it goes above here, I'm gonna just kind of try my stop loss higher to like all over here, then make profit anyways. How could we have done this better? We should have lucky took this trade over here, man. That's crazy. So Monday, that happened. Okay, Monday they took that trades because we're looking for the 10 a.m. But but before they already tested a huge accumulation area, so we don't really need that to touch get. We didn't really need that to get touched back because we already touched the accumulation area. And why the fuck did I wait for another accumulation area to get touched back? That's on a 4 hour and eventually came right back up. Hit my take profit, which was right over here. Okay. So on Tuesday there was news, right? It was hella news. Oh yeah, just Tuesday was just building up for Wednesday. So hey, hold on. I'm trying to think. So on Monday, bro, chat. The reason on Monday we should have taken a trade just because like you already touched a huge accumulation area in an hourly time frame, right? And that's the fair value gap. Why do we need the what do you call it? Oh, because of the 4 hour created the auto block. Right up here, because he created the auto block. Okay. But should have still played it smarter. Oh wait, how big would my sell stop gonna be on this day? How big? 350. How could we have done this better? Yo, bro. How to start ICT, bro? So, with ICT, you really don't want to. You could look at it as concepts, right? So you could look like it as what do you call it, total soup, CRT. You know what I'm saying? You could look at it as silver bullet. But here's the thing, there, right? With all those concepts, right? They don't perform every single day. So every day you gotta adapt to the market, right? Every day is not gonna be the same day. Every day you're not gonna get the total soup. Every day you're not gonna get that what do you call it, that silver bullet, you know, you're not gonna get that other model, you're not gonna get that other model, right? So that's why you gotta adapt to the market and go with the new conditions, you know what I'm saying? That's why I say that go learn all the building block that ICT teaches, right? Go learn the breakup block, SMT, break order block, you know, liquidity, run on liquidity, draw on liquidity, every liquidity, learn it, right? But when you learn that, you don't want to stick to one of them. You don't want to say, you don't want to stick to just to like silver bullet. You want to stick to something like that, you know what I'm saying? So you want to mix it up, because every day is not gonna be the same day. Every day is not to give you that silver bullet entry, not to give you that turtle soup entry, not to give you that CRT entry, right? So every day's gonna be a different day. And especially you're in Forex, it's not no indices, because indices are a little different, right? So you're just a little different. Just let you know, man. That's why I say go learn everything that ICT teaches, learn every building block, right? But you come back to the real market, you don't look at its concept. You mix it up by yourself. Meaning, like, so on Monday, right, as an example, I didn't take the trade because I was looking for that order block to get touched. You never did, you just went up, right? But an example, right? So basically on Monday, right, we were bullish, right? So I was basically looking for a value to get touched, right? So I was looking for this order block. This order block got created at 10 a.m. As you can see right here, right? 10 a.m. This order block, this huge order block got created. But before 10 a.m., it touched the accumulation area, right? So it never really gave me a entry over there. It never touched my order block, so it just went up higher, right? So I have to adapt to the market, because you gotta touch my fair value gap, you gotta touch the accumulation area before 10 a.m. So if I would have adapted to the market, I would have had an entry right over here. I would have had an entry over here, so right below this, and TP would have hit, right? TP1, TP2 would have hit. So like that's what you see. That's what I say. I'm saying, learn all the building block and adapt to it. You know what I'm saying? Adapt to the building blocks. You know what I'm saying? Not adapt to the building blocks. I mean, adapt to the market. So basically, every day there's gonna be different building blocks. So like, an example, right? Tuesday, right? Let's go to Tuesday, right? I don't think there was any trades on Tuesday, but we could see Tuesday. Damn, will this FOMC? Yo, the huge, yeah, no, this is what the employment claims. Okay, that the market just died. I mean, Tuesday we can't really give an example, because I mean, we could, yeah, actually we could right here. So on Tuesday, see how, so thank you, bro. As a beginner, I want to what to focus on, indices, Forex, or indices, which is good for beginners, bro. It all depends on how you feel, because I feel like indices, or people who are faster, if you're faster in indices, are like, I gotta have a sharp mind, you know what I'm saying? Because in indices, right, more concept works. There's such in, you know what I'm saying? In gold, SMT doesn't work, right? But in, what do you call it? In indices, SMT works, you know what I'm saying? So on Tuesday, you see how on Tuesday, right, Monday we had this fair value gap, right? Fair value gap and order block, right? And Tuesday, do you see any fair value gap, order block? Oh, do you see the fair value gap, right? But do you see the 4-hour fair value gap, or do you see the 4-hour order block? You don't see it, right? So that's why you adapt to the market. So basically on Tuesday, all you had was a order block and a fair value gap. But the fair value gap usually, I mean, they get respected, but there's not a huge accumulation area, right? Just like a Monday, right? So that's why you adapt to the market. So basically on Tuesday, right, see how this huge accumulation area is right over here, right? It never got touched. Only the fair value gap that got touched, right? So it went up higher, right? Same thing like that. So that's why you gotta adapt to the market. That's why you gotta play it out with the mix. So Wednesday trade would have been basically out of fair value gap. Tuesday's trade would have been basically out of an order block. And Monday would have been out of the fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? Every day can be a different day. You know what I'm saying? But let me see on Monday, because I don't think there was a trade on Tuesday, because TP never got hit. But let's see. Actually, it did. Yeah, actually the TP did not get hit. So let's go over it. So Tuesday we had an order block and a fair value gap right over here. But the indices or Forex, it all depends on how you feel, bro. I'm saying. But I feel like Forex is really harder than indices, so that's what I gotta tell you, man. But indices are kind of hard too, because, you know, saying the stocks, you know, saying if you do S&P 500, or if you do Nasdaq, there's like if a stock goes up higher, they're gonna push up a Nasdaq, you know, saying, without you even knowing, it's gonna go higher, you know what I'm saying? Or let's just say you're shorting, right? But it's, you know, like, you know what I'm saying, a stocks in from the Nasdaq, you know what I'm saying, 100 gets a know what I'm saying, yearly report review, you know what I'm saying, yearly earnings, and it's gonna push up the market higher or lower. That depends, you know what I'm saying, depends on how that works. So yeah, it all depends on how you feel, brother. So on Tuesday we had a provide gap in the order block right here. So we're all looking for a 5-minute breakup structure to the upside. So on Tuesday, okay, there would have been a setup right over here. No, not really. Wait, I'm not sure there would have been. So on Tuesday, right when it touches our accumulation area, what we're looking for is a breakup structure to the upside. Once we got a breakup structure to the upside, none of the building block over here got touched. So if you would have bought over here, it would have been premium. So we would have really not bought this over here. Would have bought like somewhere here or here, right? So basically our 5-minute confluence would have been this fair value gap, this fair value gap. Actually, there's another example, right, of why you should adapt to the market, right? So every day's not gonna be the same day, right? So you see how this, just put it down right quick. See how this right here, it was accumulation area, right? It never got touched. So that only the fair value gap that got touched, right? So that's what you're saying. You gotta adapt to the market. So every day is not every day is not gonna be the same day. Every day is gonna be a different day, because you know what I'm saying. But history will repeat itself. Like a building block will repeat itself. A breakup block, order block, they will definitely repeat themselves. But every day is not gonna be the same day. Every day you gotta go with the new mindset. You know what I'm saying? New mindset, new building blocks in the market. So on Tuesday, right? Basically, Ronchi touches our building block, right? And this right here, on Tuesday, I did see this trade, but it was past my trading time, so I didn't take it, right? Man, I think I took it this. I saw it around like 1 p.m. or something like that, right? But this trade happened around like what? Somewhere between 3:15, right? So like basically 1:15. I'm just working out. So basically, right here. So I was looking for the order block get touched. He never got touched. So you don't touch the fair value gap and the other fair value gap. So if you go to the 1-minute time frame, all we're looking for is a touch into those building blocks, and we're looking for a reaction, or we're looking for a breakup structure to the upside, right? So basically over here, right when it touches our building block, right, touches the fair value gap, you know, it wicked it just by a little bit, right? Right when it touched it, we're looking for what? We're looking for a breakup structure, which happened right over here. So what you would do, just long john it from there. Oops. Long entry, sell stop would have been right below this. This right here, the end of the fair value gap. Take profit would have been, what's our hourly time frame? So your take profit would have literally been right over here. TP1 and TP2. You would have gotten hit, like, you know what I'm saying, on FOMC, and I think, what was this, FOMC? There was CPI, right? You would have gotten hit on CPI, but you know what I'm saying, you're risk free. So right there, see. So the reason I put my sell stop, over there. Damn, what the fuck? So the reason I put my sell stop over here, all the way down here, is because of this. You see that it's the end of the fair value gap. Usually, if fair value gap can get filled more in, so that's why I put at the end. That's why I put it at the body. You know what I'm saying? I don't put it at the wick. Just put it at the body. So you know what I'm saying, less chance of me getting taken out. Couldn't explain liquidity, order blocks, and fair value gaps, and fair value gaps, and all that stuff. I got you, brother. So let's start off with what do you call it? Fair value gap. Actually, you can go just. We could start off with what do you call it? What do you want to start off with? I'm gonna start off with something. Let me just go to the chart real quick and just go expand this. Damn, what the fuck is that shit that small? No way it's that small, bro. Damn. Took it right over here, bro. Damn, that shit was that small. What the fuck? So I eventually got this. So let's go over with. So what we go over with is basically we go over with. Let's go to the hourly time frame. That's way better. Alright, just go some random ass day, right? So we could go over. So the first one we're gonna go over is order blocks, right? So order block is basically a supply and demand. So it's just another word for, you know what I'm saying, supply and demand. Just a cooler word, you know what I'm saying, just a professional word, right? A order block is basically when there's a big move happening to the upside or downside, right? And they leave out, like I'm saying, they leave out orders and they leave out a huge, you know what I'm saying, opposite color of a move up. So basically, you see how this move up right over here? You see this big move up over here, right? To the upside. Actually, let me just delete that real quick. See this big move up to the upside, right? But you don't see, but he leaves out like this huge different candle of a bullish candle. It's a bearish candle right over here. So this right here is basically a order block. So when the market comes back here, touches it, eventually accumulates, and goes back up, right, to the upside. That's that. And yeah, so basically a opposite color of a bullish candle is basically bearish candle. So when a move is going down, there's gonna be opposite candle of what? Bearish, gonna be a bullish candle, right? So basically an order block is like this. This is right here is an order block. Boom. And this right here could be an order block as well. Swept out that low, right? When it swept out that low, touch that accumulation area. Basically another order block. So order block, you know what I'm saying, you touch the order block, create another accumulation area, touching, went up higher. Now it came back down low, touches the order block again, went up higher, you know what I'm saying, eventually. I'm saying that's that. And I'm gonna explain you fair value gap. So fair value gap is basically 3 candles, right? So the body candle, so like the candles, right, they cannot hit, and the wicks cannot touch each other. So basically meaning there is this candle 1 right over here, candle 1, candle 2, and candle 3, right? See how the wicks of the candles, they never touch each other. So when the wicks of the candles, right, touch each other, that means it's not a fair value gap. That means it's just like, you know what I'm saying, it's not even fair value gap, just some random candle, right? So but when it doesn't touch the fair value gap, but it leaves a what do you call it, a, you know what I'm saying, a huge body, which is like this, a huge body which is like this, you know what I'm saying. So this right over here, it basically means imbalance of, you know what I'm saying, order. So when it comes down here, it basically accumulates orders. So when it comes down here, it accumulates orders before going back up higher, right? So just like this. So how can you do this? It's basically just by taking the, you know what I'm saying, taking whatever you have, right? Put it across, right? Basically touch that accumulation area. But a quick tip for you, right, is basically right when you set the fair value gap, you know what I'm saying, it's less orders, because when, let's just say there's a fair value gap right over here, right? The market goes to the fair value gap, right? Right when it's the fair value gap, right? It comes back down, right? But guess what though? It leaves out more orders over here, right? So it comes back down and goes back up because it left out more orders. So it goes back up here, accumulates the orders, it comes back down, right? So, you know what I'm saying, right when it's the fair value gap, that's like a manipulation by the market makers, right? They just manipulate you, you know what I'm saying? Even people who are like, or ICT, people, they get manipulated as well. So that's why you gotta wait for the fair value gap to get filled in more, deeper fill with fair value gap, you know what I'm saying? So basically that's a fair value gap right over there. Eventually touch it, was it not enough, so I eventually got more deeper fill before going back up higher, you feel me? And by the way, it's in a hourly time frame, so you can go with the daily time frame, you can go to weekly time frame, monthly. And let me give you the bearish one, right? And by the way, they can get invalidated, so they will get invalidated. So when they get invalidated, that means that's a reversal of a fair value gap. So you know what I'm saying. So let's go with the other one. So a bearish one would be like this. It's a bearish one. See how this candle right over here, it touched it, right? Right when it touched the fair value gap, it came right back down. But guess what though, right? Right when it touched it, it left out more orders up here. So it came right back up, accumulated those orders, and came back down. You see how this candle surpassed this wick, right? It surpassed this wick. It's still valid because, you know why? Because the body did not close above it. If the body closed above the fair value gap, that means above the wick, right? That means it's invalid, right? That means it's a reversal of fair value gap. But it went back up, you know, so accumulated more orders over here. They came back down. That's a bearish one, right? Right over there. So yeah, eventually came back down, eventually paid out this one paid it out right back up. Usually what you could do is just basically put the 50% mark. I'm saying this one did not touch the 50% mark, so you came back down. So you only filled like 45% of the fucking fair value gap. So you came back down, manipulated people, came right back up, took out some order. But one way you could play the fair value gap safe is basically when it goes down here, right? All you could do is just look for a breakout structure to the downside. If you don't see a breakout structure to the downside, that means the market is probably gonna manipulate you. You know what I'm saying? So it goes back down, manipulate people come when it goes back down, it basically manipulates people, goes back up, takes out more orders, so basically it takes out the retails, goes back up, you know what I'm saying, accumulates and goes back down. Just like this, accumulates, comes right back down. Eventually this one played it right back up. Because overall bias is bullish, you're saying, you know, overall bias is bullish. So another example would be right over here, another example. That's a bullish candle, right? A bullish fair value gap, accumulated, you know what I'm saying? Came right, eventually went back up higher. Right. Another one would be right here. This is always three candles. It's always three candles, by the way. It's always three candles. Another one would be right over here. So that's why you gotta know, right? The market will always go for a liquidity or a fair value gap. So the market will always head to a liquidity or the market will always go for a liquidity, drawn liquidity, or you would go for a fair value gap. So basically that's what the market, you know what I'm saying, in my opinion, that is what the market moves for, you know what I'm saying. That is where the market usually tends to go to. Usually a fair value gap. See how it goes higher, comes back down, accumulates, goes back to the drawn liquidity, which is right over here. You know what I'm saying? Sweeps out the liquidity, eventually goes higher. Now you best another fair value over here. That fair value got touching, you know what I'm saying? Just goes higher, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. Yeah. Now let's go with the, you know what I'm saying, with the bearish one. What was the bearish one? See how this right here is a fair value gap. This right here basically became a irreversible fair value gap. See how that fair value got filled. But you know, see how the body. So basically this right here is not a fair value gap no more. It's an irreversible fair value gap. Basically, it doesn't really work. It doesn't really work in Forex, but it kind of works. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes. It usually works more in indices. So a reversal fair value gap usually works more on indices, not on Forex. You know what I'm saying? But that's that. You see how you got reversed? You know what I'm saying? Bro, my bad, bro. I can't really speak right now. I don't know why, bro. I can't really speak right. Let me go over with the liquidity. So sweepable liquidity or drawn liquidity or run on liquidity, right? A run on liquidity means basically where the candle will just take it out but go higher, right? So it's basically not the drawn liquidity, but it's a run liquidity. A drawn liquidity is where the market will go, right? But once it goes, sweeps out. Once it goes up there, right, sweeps it out and goes back down, and the market will just, you know what I'm saying, that basically means a drawn liquidity. A liquidity sweep basically like this. You see come right here, right? Basically this sweep of the low. That's basically a sweep of liquidity. Swept it out, you know what I'm saying? Right when I swept it out, you know what I'm saying, it went higher. And give you another example of this would be, what's another example? Another example would be like this. Swept it out, came back lower, right? So basically, it has to be a bullish candle and a bearish candle for a buy side liquidity, and a bearish candle and a bullish candle for a sell side liquidity, right? So that's a buy side, that's a sell side. So bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, right? But if you look at ICT and look at its building blocks, you probably explain it way better than me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie. I'm being honest. You would probably explain it way better than me, right? But another thing is that here's a bearish order block, right? That's an order block right over there. Bearish order block right to the downside. Basically touch it, going right back down. Usually a touch of an order block is enough, but right when it touches the order block, if it's like an hourly confluence, if it's an hourly order block or 4-hour order block or higher time frame order block, right? You always gotta make sure you got a confirmation. So a touch of it is not enough. So meaning right when it touches the order block, right? You don't want to enter, right? You want to look for a confirmation that does it want to go lower or you want to go higher, right? So basically you want to meet by confirmation. So once you touch the order block, right, you're basically looking for a 5-minute or 15-minute breakout structure to the downside. So breakout structure means basically a market structure shift to the downside. Basically means, so the trend is going higher, right? But the market gives you a breakout structure to the downside. That means the market trend has changed to the downside, right? So basically it goes lower. But you know, it's like higher time frame, higher power. You know, saying the higher time frame controls the market bias. So basically, simple liquidity touch the order block and move lower, right? Just like that. And basically over here, set out the liquidity and moved higher. You know what I'm saying? So this sweep, so there's basically drawn liquidity. You know what I'm saying? If you know what I'm talking about, you can break down the trade in 4 hours. So can you break down a trade in daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15, and 1 minute? What's that, 1 minute? Oh, I got you. I got you. So basically, that's my motto. So let me show you my motto. My motto is like this, okay? Where the fuck? Where am I, bro? Where was I? Right over here. Right. So basically, on Monday, right? A quick example, right? Quick, really good example, right? On Monday, I'm bullish because why? I don't really use a daily time frame, because when I use a daily time frame, I don't want to catch the next 12 hours move. I don't want to catch the next 13-hour move. I don't want to catch the next 40 hours move, right? I want to catch the next 1 to 3 hour move. I don't want to catch the next 5, 6, 7, 8 hours move, right? I only want to catch the 1 to 3 hour move. So that's why my 4 hour is my daily bias, right? So 4 hours is bullish because he broke structure up in the 10 a.m., right? So right when bullish, right when it's bullish, so like 4 hour determines my bullish, right? 1 hour determines my breakup structure. So if the 4 hour is bullish and 1 hour is bullish, I'm looking for a 5-minute breakup structure to the upside, right? If the 4 hour is bullish, the 1 hour is bearish, I'm looking for a 15-minute breakup structure to the upside, right? If I'm just vice versa, right? So on Monday, I was basically bullish because the 4 hour is bullish, right? 1 hour, if you go to the 1 hour time frame. So once we go to the hour time frame, the hourly is bullish as well. So you know we're broke structure back down, right? So now I'm looking for a hourly confluence. So when I look for my confluences, right, it always has to be a hourly confluence, right? It cannot be a 30-minute confluence. It cannot be a 15-minute confluence, because higher time frame, higher power, and I want to catch the next 1 to 3 hour move. So a hourly confluence should be enough for the next 1 to 3 hour move, right? So basically, this was enough for me to catch this and this, right? So basically, I'm looking for a hourly confluence, which was what? A fair value gap in its huge accumulation area. Although this was a 4 hour auto block, but it touched it before that. So basically, it makes it a hourly, you know what I'm saying? So basically, 2 hourly confirmation, which is this huge accumulation area and this fair value gap, and move higher, right? So if now right when it touches it, I'm looking for an entry position, right? So basically, let's go down here. So right when it touches my fair value gap, right, I'm looking for a entry criteria, right? So I'm looking for a confirmation to the upside, right? So what would be my confirmation? So I have different type of models. So this one is, you see how the bias is the bearish, right? Although I'm looking for a bullish bias, I'm looking for a breakout to back to the upside, but I have different type of entry criteria. So I basically have a level entry. I have a different type of confluences. So if the breakout structure is far away from the market from me, if the breakout structure, so right over here, right? Like example, right? So right over here, there's literally the breakout structure to the upside would be over here. That's really too high, right? If it breaks structure up right here, right, that's really premium. That's a huge premium spot, right? We don't want to mess with premium per spot. So when you buy in premium, it's more expensive. It's plus it's shittier entry, right? So I want to catch a discount entry, right? So basically, this right here would have been, if I entered right here, it would have been what, a whole premium entry, and that's gonna give, give me a shittier risk reward ratio and shittier money, right? So like less money, right? So basically, my 5-minute confluence would be in this, this level. So that is not a ICT concept, but it's one of my, support and resistance, which really works, which for me works really well. So right when it touches my support and resistance, what I'm looking for a 1-minute breakout to the upside. So I'm looking for a 1-minute confluence, right? A 1-minute confluence or a 1-minute entry to the upside, right? So basically it would have been right here. Where was it? Where's Monday? So right here. Where was it? No, that's not the right one. Was it that right one? It would have been right here. So right, you see this? So all I'm looking for a 1-minute breakout just to the upside. So basically, you see how I touched my accumulation, you touched my my zone to get in. So right when I get out, I'm looking for a breakout structure, which happened this 1-minute candle. Right when that 1-minute candle ended, that would be my entry. So I'll start right below this level, because it can go lower. If it goes lower than this, if the market goes lower than this, once it takes me out and goes lower, that means my setup is no longer valid for me to take. So basically my setup is invalid. So yeah, that would be my entry. That's basically my whole breakdown of how I entry. That's how I enter, So that's how I enter, right? So 4 hours my bias, 1 hour determines my breakout structure, right? I'm looking for a hourly confluence. My take profits or in the hourly time frame because I want to catch that next 1 to 3 hour moves. I don't want to catch that 30-minute, you know what I'm saying? So hourly TP, hourly confluences, and I'm looking for market to shift to the upside or downside depending on my, you know what I'm saying, depending on my bias. So it'd be on either on a 5-minute if the hourly is with the 4 hour, or looking for a 15-minute if the 1 hour is against the 4 hour, right? And yeah, and I'm looking for, so once I get a market shift, once I get a market structure shift to the upside or downside, I'm basically looking for a confluence. So a market structure shift could be a good, you know, saying the best thing. You know, saying market structure shift is like, you know, saying a breakout structure is the main part of my, you know, saying of my concept, right? I don't know how to say this, right? But it's the main part of my concept. So without a breakout structure, my concept usually doesn't work, right? So that's why market structure shift is always the best one, right? So I'm basically 4 hour bias, 1 hour determines my breakout structure, 1 hour TP, 1 hour we call it confluence. So once I get my entry cut here, I'm basically looking for a 5-minute market structure shift to the upside or downside depending on my bias. Then I look for a 5-minute confluence. So it could be a order block for right gap, breakout block, liquidity sweep, a level, SMT, I did not say a reversal for right gap and all that stuff, right? It could be any of them. So once that 5-minute confluence gets touched, I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame. I'm looking for a 1 minute breakup structure if the market is against my bias. So look, let's just say I'm bullish, right? Let's just say a broke structure up in a 5-minute time frame. I'm looking for a 5-minute confluence. Let's just say the fair value gap, right? Let's just say go to the 5-minute fair value gap, right? So once I go to the 5-minute fair value gap, but the 1 minute is against my bias, basically meaning the 1 minute is bearish, but my bias is bullish, right? So basically, once it goes to the fair value gap, or I'm looking for a 1 minute breakout structure to the upside. So then right when the break structure up to the upside, I enter that trade, right? I'm saying, but sell side below something, right? Below that wick end of the fair value gap, below the end of this, as an example, right? Below end of this level, yeah, there's just like that, brother. My bad for not explaining it right. I don't think I'm explaining it right, but I don't know why I'm stuttering so hard, bro. I'm stuttering so hard today. I don't know why. Bro, yesterday I have been stuttering so hard. Actually, you gotta talk calmer. The calmer you are, the clearer you can think, the better you could talk. Just like this, okay? Yeah, my bad, bro. My bad. I don't know why I'm talking like that. See, I'm fumbling so hard right now. It's so annoying. I don't know why my hairstyle's like this, bro. Move it back. Damn, I hate my hairstyle, bro. But yeah, did you get it, brother, or did I explain it wrong? So the next thing we go over is, for you, it could be, what should we go for over? We should go for a breakup block, let's say. Let's go over a breakup block. Let's go some random ass day, which would be, oh yeah, but so we can go over a breakup block. So let me see if I can find one data block, breakup block in the market. Do I find any breakup block? So yeah, right here is a quick example of a breakup block. This right here is a bearish, right? So how can I explain a breakup block? See, it's kind of hard though. It's kind of hard explaining breakup block. It's just like an order block, but the same color as the bias. So if the market is bearish, right? A order block usually be the opposite candle, but a breakup block would be the same candle. So like this, you see how this right here? See how this right here is an order block, right? That's an order block, but this right here is a breakup block. So it's the same color. So the bias is bearish. You see how the bias? See how the bias is bearish right to the downside? But you see how order block is to the upside, right? Breakup block is to the downside, just like that. That's like you know, saying that's how I could explain breakup block. So bro, daily bias, can you teach me how to daily bias? Yo, bro, so the building block, bro, just go learn ICT, because I don't think I could explain it right to you, right? But the daily bias, I got you, bro. So daily bias, okay, should I write it down, or should I just let's show you? So let me just go some random ass day, okay? So let me just go some random ass day. It'll be on this day. So on this day, looking for the 4 hour first. So I gotta go mark out the session open right there. So on Thursday, right? Well, this Thursday, right? On Thursday, right? Look at the bias, right? The bias is bullish. It never broke structure down, right? So the bias is bullish, never broke structure down. But if you go to the hourly time frame, the bias is basically bearish because what? It broke structure down to the downside. So what are we looking for now? Is basically we're looking for a higher time frame confluence back to the upside. So our higher time frame confluence would be what? A 15-minute breakout structure to the upside, 15-minute confluence to the upside, something like that, right? And our take profit would be basically on the hourly time frame. So, but usually when I go for my take profit, it's usually only 1 to 2 take profit, right? So I'll go for 2 take profit. I only go for 2 take profit if I'm going with the bias. If I'm not going with the bias, I'm going for 1 take profit, right? So because if I'm going against the bias, I'm trying to catch a scalp. If I'm going with the bias, I'm trying to catch the next 1 to 3 hour move, right? So basically, TP would be right here. TP right here. So you see how the 4 hour, let me just write it down too, right? The 4 hour is bullish. 1 hour. Fuck it, I'm not gonna write it down, bro. I hate it. My handwriting is ass and keyboard and mouse too. So basically, the 4 hour. Let's go back to it, right? See how right here, right? The 4 hour is bullish. You see, 4 hours bullish, right? Oh shit. Fuck. See how the 4 hours bullish? So that's basically for the day. For Thursday, I'm basically bullish, right? The 1 hour. The 1 hour is bearish. You can see right here. The 1 hour is bearish. So that basically means yo, I'm bearish, and that means yo, I gotta be more careful because that 1 hour is against my 4 hour. So I'm basically looking for a higher time frame confluences, right? Meaning, what I say by a higher time frame confluence, meaning what I say by that is a higher time frame breakup structure. I don't mean by a higher time frame confluence. I don't mean by a 4 hour order block, 4 hour breakup block, 4 hour for liquidity sweeps, right? I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking for a 15-minute, breakup structure, 15-minute, confluences right to the upside. But right, but before that, he has to touch my hourly confluence. He has to touch my hourly confluences, right? But on Tuesday, right? So 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bearish. So I'm looking for a 15-minute breakup structure, or I'm looking for a 15-minute market structure shift to the upside. And I did take this trade. I did take this trade. So yeah, let's go over it, right? So on Thursday, right? What was our confluences, right, to the upside? So I'm looking for an hourly confluence, right? So my hourly confluence is what? There's liquidity sweep right over here. Liquidity sweep, order block, and breakup block. Right, these are all my my building blocks. So I have 3 confluences for the day, but I'm only looking for an hourly confluence, right? Doesn't matter how many confluences I have in the hourly, but I'm looking for an hourly confluence for me to go enter, right? So on Thursday, order block, breakup block, order block, and liquidity sweep, right? The order block and breakup block is still valid. You know why it's still valid? Because the hourly candle did not close below it. If it closed below it, then that makes the order block and breakup block invalid. But so this order block and breakup block is still valid, right? So 3 hourly confluence. That's really bullish because what? He respected 3 of our hourly confluence. That means you want to go higher. So now I'm going to 15-minute time frame, right? I'm looking for a 15-minute time frame. Where is it? Where was I? Tuesday, Thursday, right here, right? So basically on this day, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour bearish. So I'm looking for what? A higher time frame confluence. As you can see right here, right? The market failed to break structure to the upside. So be smart right here. So like when you trade like my type of concept, I'm not trying to be like, yo, you're dumbass, but you gotta act smarter, right? Sometimes I'm dumb as fuck too, you know what I'm saying? Right now, just like right now, right? So the market did not break structure up right here, right? It failed to break structure up, right? So that means, yo, if the market breaks structure back up right here, which it did all over here, would you really want to buy over here? Do you want to buy over here? That's really a high premium spot, right? You don't want to buy in premium. So that's why we act smarter and do smarter things, right? That's why we come back down here, look at the bias. That's why we have a 15-minute RVI gap. 15-minute, you know what I'm saying, order block right over here. So if you buy here, right, so let's just say I bought over here, right, my sell stop would have been all the way down here, right? Look at that risk reward ratio, right? Look at the risk reward ratio. That's a 1 to 2 RR, right? That's like 1.1 to 1 RR, right? But look at this compared to that, right? Look at this one. Put sell stop right below this, right? Look at the risk reward ratio on this. Right there, right? Look at the risk ratio, 4.89, right? 4.89, you know what I'm saying? Do you want to take this one or do you want to take this one? So that's why I'm saying, although the market in the 15-minute time frame, right, did not break structure up until here. So the market only broke structure up right over here, right? If you enter here, it's gonna be a premium spot, it's gonna be ass, right? So that's why you act smart. That's why when the market, so I know the market's gonna go higher because look, this huge bullish movement, right? So basically, I'm like, yo, I know the market's gonna go higher, so let me look for a different confluence. Let me look for a 15-minute breakup structure, not 15-minute breakup structure. I mean, let me look for a 15-minute confluence, order block, breakup block, liquidity sweeps, provide gaps, or a reversal for provide gap, anything like that, right? 15-minute confluence, right? So basically, 15-minute confluence, what if a provide gap, hey, order block, touch, right? So let me just move this. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. I don't think I could go to the 1 minute. Can I go to the 1 minute time frame? I can't go to the 1 minute time frame. I don't got that membership. So basically, right when it goes down here, so you basically want to act smarter, right? Not dumber, right? So basically, right, this is when the 15-minute ended, candle ended, right? So I'm basically looking like, yo, probably wondering, yo, why did you not enter over here? Because you touched the 5-minute confluence, right? But guess what though? Higher time frame, higher confluence, and the provide gap got created right over here. So the market came back down, touched right here, and I could remember this in my head. The breakup structure to the market was right over here. The breakup structure to the upside was like, what was the breakup structure to the upside? It was somewhere, was it over here? No, it was not over there. No, it was right over here. It's 56. So wait, was it there? Yeah, it was somewhere over here. The breakup structure somewhere over here, right? So basically your sell stop could either be down here to the 15-minute time frame, right? So my sell stop, the reason my sell stop is over here is because look, that's a 15-minute. Let me just go show you. You know what I'm saying? So you don't get confused, right? The reason my sell stop is over here is because it's the end of the fair value gap. Usually the market doesn't usually go over here because when it goes over here, that usually invalidates my fair value gap, right? But it's still valid. See how it went higher? So that's why I put my sell stop at the end of the fair value gap. That's why I put at the body, right? If I put it here, stopped out, right? I'll put it here, I stopped out. Or you could do that, or you could go to the 5-minute time frame. But when I did my trade, right, on the Thursday trade, I did not put my sell stop here. I put my sell stop wider. I put my sell stop like down here. Although worse risk reward ratio, but guess what? In the market, money is money, right? You want to make money, right? So that's that, right? So yeah, you could either put your sell stop and end of this fair value gap, or you could put it in this fair value gap. It doesn't really matter. It depends on how confident you feel. You know what I'm saying? It depends on how greedy you are, or depends on how confident you feel, right? So basically, eventually, TP get hit. So this is how I do my TP, right? So my take profit, if you go to the hourly time frame, as I said, right? My take profit are always at hourly confluence, hourly TP, right? But here's the thing, though, right? Right when it touches my order block, right when it touches my hourly TP, right? So right when it touches my hourly take profit, I go to 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, right? I always go to 15-minute time frame. This is what I do, right? So right when it touches my first TP, right? I basically say this. I do one thing, right? I say this, right? If the take profit gets hit in the hourly, so my take profit is always an hourly time frame, right? So if my take profit gets hit, I go to 15-minute time frame, right? Right when I go to the 15-minute time frame, I'm gonna see if the market, if the TP gets hit and the 15-minute time frame, right, closes below the take profit, I'll get a full position. If it closes above the take profit, I will stay till the next take profit. When the next take profit gets hit, I'm out of the full market because, well, I only go for 2 take profit, right? But just like this, see right here, hit full TP, so you really never hit my second take profit, right? I mean, you really never get, you know what I'm saying, you really never let me decide that, yo, do I want to stay in the market or not get out for the market, right? So this right here hit my full TP, right? So when it hits my TP, I look at the 15-minute time frame, because 15-minute time frame usually for take profits are the best one to decide, do you want to stay in the market, or do you want to stay, is either do you want to stay in the market or do you not want to stay in the market? Because if you look at the 5-minute market, if you look at the 5-minute time frame, be like, yo, if you hit my take profit, I'm gonna look at the 5-minute time frame, be close below, I'm gonna get off position. But guess what? 5-minute time frame are usually so messy. Look at the 5-minute time frame, right? Look at the 5-minute time frame. It's so fucking messy, right? So let's please explain the take profits again. Okay, so take profits like this, right? So I want to do my take profit, right? So hourly confluences. So if I'm looking for an hourly confluence, right? So let me give a good example, right? So if I'm looking for an hourly confluence, right? Hourly time frame confluence, right? Why would I want to go for a 30-minute take profit? That doesn't make sense, right? Does that make sense, right? That doesn't make sense to you, right? So if I'm going for an hourly confluence, why the fuck am I going for a 30-minute take profit, right? But here's the thing though, right? You gotta, how I said, every day you gotta adapt to the market. Every day is not the same day, right? That's why I said, if I see an hourly confluence, sometimes when the market conditions are really really horrible, I could look for a 30-minute take profit. I could look for a 30-minute confluence, right? It all depends on the, you know what I'm saying? It all depends on the market conditions for that day, for that week, for that month, right? If the month is shitty like August, I'm looking for, you know what I'm saying, I'm looking to get in and get out fast as fuck, you know what I'm saying? But that's how it works, right? So my confluences are on the hourly time frame. My take profits are in the hourly time frame, so 1-to-1, right? So if I did hourly take profit and I did 30-minute, you know what I'm saying, if I did an hourly confluence and I did a 30-minute, you know what I'm saying, take profit, that doesn't really make sense, right? So like, that doesn't really, I don't know, just act like this is a 30-minute, right? Act like this is hourly. Does that make sense to each other? It doesn't, right? So hourly confluence, hourly take profit, that makes sense to each other, right? Just imagine, right? So basically, let me show you right here. I could show you in any day. If you want me to give you more example, I could give you more example, bro. I'll be happy to give you more example, right? So basically, hourly confluence, liquidity sweep, order block, breakup block. So if I have 3 hourly confluences that's giving me really strong bullish bias, why the fuck am I going for a 30-minute take profit? If I went for a 30-minute take profit, right? I'm just giving you an example, right? If I went for a 30-minute take profit, I would have gotten out right here. Look how much money am I missing out? Right? So hourly confluence, hourly take profit. But once that take profit gets hit, I'll go to 15-minute time frame. I'll look at 15-minute time frame. If it closes above, it closes below. If it closes above, hold the next take profit. If it goes below, get off of position. But I'll give you an example of that. Let me see if I can look for example. Let me see if I can look for example right there. Let me see if I can look for example for you. Example. This right here, guys, hit my take profit. This day is so ass. I hate this day. Let me see if I can look for an example. This one over here, my take profit, but look for example. Let me look for example. Okay, so I want to look for a day where my take profit is only 1 take profit because I'm gonna get the daily bias. Not daily bias, I mean when the market invalidates my take profit. Okay, so what about here? No. It has to be in the day where the market is. This one is fucking ass. Oh my god. My bad, bro. I'm trying to look for a confluence for you, brother. Example would be right here, right? So basically, I mean, this one already hit both of my take profit because my take profit was over here as well. Did he hit it? Yeah, he hit my take profit on this too. So I can't really give you an example of the 15-minute time frame. But all I could say for the take profit, right? I could show you an example, but it can take so long, right? Because usually it's kind of hard for me to find the 15-minute, you know, saying the 15-minute example, right? So basically, but it does work, right? So, but it's rare though. It's not rare. Usually, the market condition right now is cold as it's gonna be hard, right? So that's gonna make sense, right? So if the I'm looking for hourly confluence, hourly take profit. Once my hourly take profit gets hit, so hourly take profit gets hit. Now just imagine this right here is a 15-minute candle, right? Let's imagine this right here is the hourly take profit. Let's imagine just playing around with the hourly. Let's just look. Actually, let me show you on the board. Let me show you on the board, right? So I can explain it better, right? Just imagine this right here is a take profit, right? That's your take profit, right? Imagine the market goes to your take profit, but right when touches it, right? Imagine this right here is a 15-minute time frame, right? Just imagine that's a 15-minute time frame, right? Just imagine the market is a 15-minute time frame, right? So the market, right? The market's up to your take profit, it plays around with it, right? It plays around with it, right? The market is gonna decide if the market goes below the take profit, so below TP, right? If it closes below the TP, you get out full position. So I don't partial, by the way. So I'm not a partial trader. I get my full money, I get out my full money, right? I never partial. I stopped doing partial because it's so stupid. I don't really get it. You know what I'm saying? But only to me, that's why I'm only going for hourly confluence. That's why I'm only going for hourly confluence, hourly take profit. So I don't gotta deal with the fucking. That's why I go with that. So I don't gotta deal with the partial, right? So the market can back down. So right when the market, so just imagine the market's over here. Just imagine it's a 15-minute time frame, right? So it closed below. So now you be like, yo, the market the market doesn't look like it's gonna respect my take profit, right? So the market just comes right back down below. So once you come back below, it's gonna eventually just go back down, right? Eventually, just wait for the next day. So basically, now right when this happens, you get out full position, right? You get out full position, right? I'm saying, right? But if the 15-minute time frame rate closes above, you'll be like, yo, I'ma hold, right? I'ma hold my take profit. So let me give you like, you know what I'm saying, I know you get it, right? But let me give you the nothing, right? The reason, if the market, right, goes above your take profit, if it goes, so let's just say there's a take, oh shit. So just imagine that's your take profit, right? Just imagine the market goes up here, it respects it, right? It goes above it. So what do you do first? You don't partial. I don't partial, right? So what I do is I straight away, right when my take profit gets hit, I break even. I'm like, yo, break even, right? So I have no money, so risk free. So I'm all risk free, right? So I don't gotta worry about losing nothing, right? So if the market comes back down, I'm losing no money, right? But right when this does this, right, the next take profit is over here. The market is like, you know, saying I tended to go up higher. So right when it goes above higher for my take profit one, I'm gonna start moving my sell stop. So my sell stop is over here, sell stop, right? The sell stop is gonna constantly go higher. So let's just say the market is over here, right? Let's just say the market is over here. My sell stop is gonna be right over here. The market is gonna, I'm just gonna try my stop loss with the market. So if the market comes back down, it could come back down all the way down, because sometimes the market will do that, right? Sometimes when the market will do that, so that's why I try my stop loss higher. So if the market is going like this, I'm gonna go like this. You know what I'm saying, the market comes back down, oh, I'm out of the market. You know what I'm saying, I'm out of the market, right? But eventually, usually just goes to a take profit, goes back down. You know what I'm saying, just like that. But what else do you need help with, brother? Whatever you need help with, I got you, bro. If you want to see more of my daily bias, I could go teach you guys more. I could go over the whole week and teach you, bro. I'm probably not explaining it right, bro. My bad for not explaining it right. Just that, you know what I'm saying, sometimes it's kind of hard for me. But yeah, so he texted me. You need help with anything else? Oh, you got it. Thanks. Yeah, alright, brother. So yeah, now let me go over the whole week. So Tuesday, that's the third for Tuesday, but that's on Tuesday. What's your live stream time? Usually at 8 a.m. We'll call it 8 a.m. EST, you know what I'm saying? Eastern time zone. I want to learn with you daily. Hey bro, every day come at, so Monday through Friday is every day at 8 a.m. It's usually at 7:30 to 8 a.m. EST. You know what I'm saying? USD, like US time zone. Like this time zone right here. I can't really show you, but yeah, like 8 a.m. something like that. EST. And everybody lives around different time zone around my country. Not my country, I mean around the world. So that's why. But let's go over the week, chat. So basically over the week, Tuesday, Wednesday. So another example would be like this, right? You know what I'm saying? On my daily bias. Tuesday, it was never touched my accumulation area. Shit. Remember I had a bearish bias on this day. So on this day, right? I mean, yo, if you want to keep on learning, bro, you keep on watching. But on this day, basically, what did he really had? Where you from? I'm from Afghanistan, brother. And the other reason my English is kind of bad is because, brother, I'm not from America. I speak like 5 languages, but I'm really trying to focus on English because if you can speak English, you can make money. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. That's what I learned. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. But are you funded or you trade with your own capital? Currently, I'm funded with a 50K. So 50K funded, 50K, not 50K funded right now. 50K challenge and 100K funded. But 100K funded, I'm just waiting for the payout, bro. Payout. And they denying my ass. They're not giving my payout, man. It's cool though, bro. Like, I mean that the way I made that 100K funded, it was kind of gambling way, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm from India. Oh, कैसा हो भैया? Maybe Indian. मुझको भी छोटा उर्दू पता है. उर्दू नहीं, हिंदी पता है. You know what I'm saying? I used to watch a lot of Indian movies, bro. And what do you call it? Until here, from which firm? The one that not denying my payout is basically right now is funded next because they don't accept USD players. If you're a if you're a USA client, they won't accept you just because. I think just that because of that. I mean, let me say, it's not their problem. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to follow the rules. And the other one currently I'm in is 1 of 1. But yeah, so basically this, I'm trying to go for that high, but that's a news play. So right with this my accumulation area, I'm looking for an entry. Your Hindi is quite good. I'm impressive. मुझको भी more Hindi पता है, but मैं इधर है ना अमेरिका में, इधर जात उर्दू पता नहीं है. इधर जात मेरा friend उर्दू, you know, Hindi उर्दू, they don't talk Hindi. You know what I'm saying? They don't talk it. We used to talk a lot when I was a kid, but here we stopped. All we speak is English. Is either English or a little bit of my native language. You know what I'm saying? So this keep mentioning never got touched. I hate this keylova zone, man. This chat, bro. This whole week, the keylova has been taking me out. Damn, bro, you speak really good. And I mean, which could be. I used to speak Hindi fluently, like I used to know the whole thing, but over time, damn, I forgot it, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just trying to be honest, bro. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. So that day, boom, just my commission area. So on this day, boom, went back up looking for a confluence. Making sure far away from the market. Just put it there. All right, I'm new to ICT. Which playlist should I start with, bro? Shit. Which playlist should you start with? Let me see myself actually. Bro. But yeah, I'm trying to be honest with you, brother. I don't really watch ICT. I do watch him, right? But I don't watch his concepts. I just watch the way he thinks. The way he thinks is the way the one I like, you know what I'm saying? Because trading is all about pathology. If you can't think, then you're not gonna make it. I'm saying, but yeah, feel me? Let me see the playlist. Shit. Bro, this he has so much playlists, bro. Fuck, you're gonna get cooked. And all the playlists are like what, hourly, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. One of them is 6 hours, bro. And he does not stop talking, bro. Ah, shit. Hey, bro. Actually, shit. Watch this guy. This guy's not better than him. So, but let me share my screen, bro. Watch this guy. I'm not trying to promote other people, but you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to help out people, you know what I'm saying. If he helped me learn how to trade, you know what I'm saying, I'm help you guys as well, you know what I'm saying. But once I get older, you know what I'm saying, touch it. The ICT guy is crazy, full of rant. What does that mean? Like, that boy, he does not stop talking, bro. But actually, I don't want to promote somebody else's YouTube channel, but here, I'm just gonna write down my YouTube. I'm just gonna write it down, right? Actually, fuck it, I don't want to write it down. I don't feel like good. I don't feel good writing that down. Fuck that shit. Hey, yo, make sure you join my Discord too, bro. We got free crypto signal, free one-on-one session. So we could do like a one-on-one session with like viewers, you know what I'm saying? Like privacy. You know what I'm saying? Oh my, just fly. Basically, yeah. Watch this guy, right? So watch this. So what you're gonna do first is watch this bootcamp playlist, right? After bootcamp playlist, watch the bootcamp 2.0. After bootcamp 2.0, watch, you know what I'm saying, trading transformation. And you should be good. Look, you should be good. Look, just read it yourself. I'm not gonna read it out for you, but just read it yourself. I say. Right on my. It's pinned. If you see the, I would call it the. If you see the, what do you call it? The channel, like, you know, it's pinned on the YouTube channel. But this is the guy. You know what I'm saying? There's the guy right here, brother. Lock in, bro. It can take you a while to get this right, but if you really lock in, you got it. You really lock in, you got it, bro. You see that? Why am I pointing, bro? But you see this right here, yeah, you got it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Drop to your channel link. I bet I got you. So all you gotta do is just go and search up TGR trades. So all you gotta do is, hey, he's my mentor. Hey, I'm saying he's my mentor. I'm my mentor. Oh fuck, I clicked the wrong button. I already know this guy, yeah, but I don't think he's the best trader in the world. I mean, he's a really good mentor, but I don't really think he's the best trader in the world, bro. Bro, fuck, I'm just gonna write it down, bro. Fuck. Okay, I got it. Bet. Hey, he helped me. I'm gonna help you as well. You know what I'm saying? He helped me out. I'm gonna give it out. I'm just gonna spread that message. You know what I'm saying? I can't be broke. Give me that shit, chat. But on Tuesday, what trade curve we got? I've gotten. What trade curve we have gotten? Go to the 1 minute time frame. But if you guys got any other questions, I got you, man. You know what I'm saying? With the market experience. It's not funny, man. So basically that. So where we entered this trade out of? So right when test my zone. Go for a break of pressure, which happened right here. Okay, oh damn, this trade would have been good. This trade would have been good, chat. What the fudge? Damn, this trade would have been good. Other trade would be right here. Where would the other trade be? This one was slowly grinded up higher. I mean, if I would have entered this one, it would have been right here. So stop right below. Just take the 3 car. His concert looks awesome. I'll give it a try. Yeah, bro. I think this guy's from Miami. He's from Miami and what do you call it? Miami and Puerto Rico. Is it good to go? Yeah, bro. Go ahead, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't really give a shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't really care if people. I don't really care if people really say. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a shit. But hey, I care if you join my Discord. That shit. I care if you love, you know what I'm saying? If you like, sub, you know what I'm saying? I care about that, you know what I'm saying? That shit. You join the family, that shit. But yeah, that's that, chat. So Tuesday, Tuesday. We had 2 setup, chat. I mean, I didn't really take the chat. I wasn't even live. Was I live for the trade? Was I? Oh, I was live, chat. Shit. But they touched my entry criteria over here. Touched my breakup block, auto block. You guys gotta get to work. You feel me? That shit. Grind them bitches, man. Hey, it's summer. This summer is our summer, chat. You feel me? But this summer is fucking me going broke summer, bro. This might. Ain't no way, bro. Somebody gotta pump this shit up, bro. Oh shit. Vertex LAS is a good channel. I don't really watch anymore. So usually, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't really watch any. I stopped watching people. I stopped watching YouTube channels, bro. Because I already know so much. I already know so much stuff, right? All I need is market experience, right? So once I get that market experience, we're chilling. Because if I watch this guy, he'd be like, yo, he gonna teach me something random ass shit. I don't want to learn that shit. So you know what I'm saying, I already learned what I like what I learned, so gotta keep what I learned. Andrew Tate, damn. But yeah, man. So Tuesday was because of this. So I mean, right here, basically my take profit because it's a fucking. So. Okay. There should have been there was no setup. There was a setup. I forgot I got rugged. I got rugged. So Thursday was a bitch day, I ain't gonna lie. Where we went against Ferrari Gap, we went against Hard Time for Tosh shit. Looking for a 5-minute confluence. Michael Bumper YouTuber. Michael Bumper YouTuber. Man, I don't fuck with none of the YouTubers, man, I ain't gonna lie. Trading Forex. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't really care who. Bro, Black Owl, bro. Black Owl. If you feel me, listen up, right? If you know enough information, if you know enough things, right, you don't have to really watch them. You know what I'm saying? If you know enough information, if you know what you're doing in a market, right? If your pathology is at the right time, if everything is good, right? You don't need to watch other people because in trading, if you know too much stuff, it's not good. You know what I'm saying? In trading is the only thing you can't learn too much, bro. It's not good. You know what I'm saying? If you learn about some random ass shit, that's gonna go against you. So let's just say you enter bias, right? Let's just say you're bullish, right? Let's say you enter bias, right? Let's just say you enter bias, but guess what? You learn so much stuff from this other guy. He's gonna say, yo, the market's gonna go down, the market's gonna go down, the market's gonna go down. And guess what? That comes in your head, and that's basically like, yo, that makes you unconfident in your setup, and basically makes it fuck you up. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm trying to say, that you don't really wanna learn too much. Learn what you got, get what you got. After that, fuck off. You know what I'm saying? And the more you learn, the more complicated it gets. I hate it, bro. Look. This I hate it. I did not want to learn this one. I did not want to learn this one right here, right? When I learned it, this shit, this whole week has been taking me out. The whole week, bro. Look. This right here took me out in this right here on FOMC took me out. This shit right here took me out on FOMC. Book me out. Push me right back down, bro. You feel me? So I'm saying, the more you learn, you're right. You see, you're right as well. The more you learn, the better, you know, so the harder it gets. Analysis, paralysis. For real, for real. I'm saying type shit. I hate learning new stuff, bro. I hate learning I hate watching other people, bro. Like I'm not saying I'm jealous. I'm just saying like, yo, if I learn from that guy, I might fuck up my trading skills. And guess what? The next thing you know, I fucked up my shit. And I fucked, you know what I'm saying? So basically, right into my zone, I'm looking for a, what's that? 15-minute time frame, right? That's 15-minute time frame. Boom. Just if it touches a 15-minute time frame. Value gap, bro. Why am I talking so ass recently, bro? Bro, I made a TikTok video. I was like this. I was stuttering so hard, bro. This girl literally said, "Yo, calm down, relax. The calmer you are, the better." So I gotta be calmer. My fucking dumbass was stuttering so hard in front of the girl, bro. I'm so mad, bro. Yeah, I'm going to stick to one method. Good shit, bro. But all I'm gonna say, Black Owl, bro, do not go to different YouTubers, bro. Just stick to one, bro. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. I hate learning new things. I hate learning this SMT. This SMT shit does not even fucking work in Forex. And I'm pissed off because of that. I mean, find this, as you can see right here, shit. SMT divergence. SMT. See, that's not even SMT, bro. What the fuck? See, so on Tuesday, yeah, I entered this trade, bro. I'm so mad I entered this trade, right, chat? But I got stopped out. I'm so mad on this day, bro. This day pissed me off, bro. I don't know why. I'm not mad. I'm not mad that I lost this trade. I'm mad that I fucking hate this building block. Girl scared me too. No, bro, I was not scared because of the girl. This girl was not bothering me at all. I was just scared because, like, you know what I'm saying? I was because yesterday I was talking so much in my live stream, right? I was talking for 4 hours straight, right? I was talking for 4 hours straight. I was like basically like, yo. After that, I feel like after that I couldn't really talk straight. So I was like, I went to call this girl. I was like, yo, this girl said, bro, what like she didn't call me bro, but like, you know, so she said, why are you talking like that? What happened to you? I'm like, bro, I'm so mad, bro. The way I was talking was crazy, bro. Bro, she said every sentence you were just stuttering. I'm like, damn. I told her you know, say you ruined my heart. Yeah, SMT sometimes works, sometimes don't. For real, I hate that SMT shit, man. Fuck that guy. Usually, I mean, I don't know why I'm being so hateful to the SMT, but bro, I hate it, bro. I don't want to learn something new. I do not want to learn what's new, bro. So I want to stick to what I got. You know what I'm saying? That shit. So this day, so let me tell you guys why I lost this day. Let me tell you guys why I lost this. Alright. So the reason I lost this trade on Thursday, I should have not even lost it, but let's go over why we lost it, right? But let's go over our whole thing. Let me tell you guys why I got that trade, right? Yeah, SMT were good on index. Yeah, bro, that's what I'm talking about. This is Forex. You trade Forex literally, I'm saying Forex is the hardest, you know, saying the hardest, you know, saying market to conquer. Bro, SMT is just a comp, not a confirmation. You kinda right. But for me, I like to use it as a confirmation. You know what I'm saying, type shit. So, but here's the thing there, right? The reason it works on indices is because There's two pairs. So the only way the SMT works, you have to have two pairs that have the same bias. So it only works on S&P 500 and it only works on Nasdaq. They're the two same pairs because they're the same pair. They move the same way. They move the same way. So if I'm saying, if let's just say Nasdaq creates a higher high, right? It could, the market comes back down, touches that higher high, but it doesn't break up, right? But in S&P 500, it broke through the level, it breaks through the it sweeps out the liquidity, comes back down. I'm saying it's just like that. And Nasdaq just goes like this. It just can't. Wait, what's it like this? Wait, how was it? You see this right here? Just eventually just doesn't even go up to it. Just comes back down. It just comes back down just like that. It's nothing that complicated. But the reason I lost this trade, so on Monday, right, on Tuesday, I was bullish, right? So Tuesday I was basically bullish because what, the 4 hour didn't break cluster up, right? The 1 hour broke cluster up, so basically I was like, yo, I'm looking for a 500 breakup just to the upside. So once I got that, so our hourly confluences was what, a hourly auto block, breaker block, auto block, and if you see the breaker block, I just invalidated. So now if you go to the 30-minute, so I'm saying, and now 15-minute actually. So basically my entry was basically out of 15-minute for VI gap. It got touched, right? Right when the 15-minute time frame got touched, I was looking for a entry. So basically looking for, this is not my exact entry. My exact entry was like at 89, right there. So right over here, right? Basically, the reason I entered the trade was basically so it touched my VI gap, set that low. The 5 minute did not break structure back down. So like, yo, I could just look for a what? I could just look for a break of structure to the upside in 1 minute time frame. And look, the market did go my way. I'm not gonna lie, the market did go my way. But I know what I did wrong in this trade though. So I was looking for a breakup structure. The reason I entered here because of a spread. Spread took me out, right? Spread made me the spread made me take a higher, it looks like, entry. Confirmation all coming to the breaker block, auto block, breaker block for VI gap. You right, bro. Oh, that's what a confirmation is. Okay. But you see, I'm learning. You see, I don't even know what confirmation means. Confirmation means confirmation means like entry. So basically on this, right, I entered right here, alright, on the breakup structure. Sell stop was right below this huge zone. As you can see, right below that zone, right? That's where my sell stop was. Maybe just a little higher. Just like right there, right? So right when I entered, I was up so much. I was up, I think, like 1x. It should be 1x, right? I was up 1.15. I told you guys I was up 1.15, right? I told you guys, I told it in my live stream, yo, I'm up 1.15, right? But guess what? I'm mad. The reason I'm mad, I'm not mad that I lost this trade. I'm mad that, yo, I'm not being smart, right? Because look at this, right? Look at the 5 minute time frame. First of all, it respected this level. It respected it 1 time, 2 time. It literally gave me a warning that, yo, you want to go lower, doesn't want to go higher, right? And guess what? Go to hourly time frame, right? And we went against the hourly for VI gap. Right? So basically, next time what we could do better on this is to fucking break even faster, like break even, right? So right when it touches, look. On Friday trade, right? I'll give you, look, the Friday trade is the best example I can give you guys, right? The Friday trade, I'll give you the example of the Friday trade, bro. The best examples, right? Okay, I'll give you the guys too, right? So right when it touched my zone, I was like, yo, if it can close inside this, we'll go higher. If it doesn't, it's gonna come lower. But what we could do next time on this, like something that happened like this, bro, just break even, bro. Protects your money. I would have literally break even right here. Break even somewhere here. I would break even because why? Because, bro, we gotta protect our money because it's harder for us to gain. So it's easier for us to lose money rather than gain, because trading is hard, right? So it's easier for us to lose rather than gain. So that's why we wanna protect our money. So yeah, I should have definitely broke even on this. But that's that. So now let's go over the Friday. Yeah, I'll definitely learn from that mistake, bro. So Friday, we had a auto block and a breaker block. Not an auto block and a breaker block. I'm just saying auto block, right? To the downside. I was looking for a 15-minute breaker. I was looking for a 15-minute breaker to the downside, and we never got that. But we had a 5-minute confluence, which we had that. I was basically looking for a TP to go to. My TP was all the way here, which was unrealistic, right? And I had a buy side setup right here. Had another buy one, which got invalidated. But this fucking buy didn't let me. Right, so basically here, I'm going to 15. Now, let me show you the Friday trade, right? I'm looking for hourly confluence on Friday. My hourly confluence was what? My hourly confluence was basically this value gap, right? So my first trade was right over here. To the downside, we have all these fair value gap and break fair value gaps and shit. Right, we have all these fair value gaps to the downside. Right, this fair value gap right here got irreversible fair value gap, right? So basically, all we do now is the zone key. This key zone was the one that took me out. So yeah, so now we go over here on a 1 minute time frame. My entry was right over on this breakup structure. Where was it? So stop was right above this. It was right above. So right there. Let's see, profit was under this. Right, so chat, this one right here was a break-even trade. I made money on this trade. Right, but break-even. But quick example of why this shit right here. The ski level is so annoying, bro. All they came back up, all they came right back down. But we want to protect our money. Feel me? So I basically broke even, and yeah, it is what it is. And the buy side one we had right here. The buy side, it touched my zone, touched my auto block, breaker block, touched my zone right here. Right. There's a fair value gap. That's the auto block of the fair value gap to the upside. Alright, bro, I'm gonna go check out. I'm gonna go. I have time to go. I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, bro. Peace out, brother. Peace out, brother. Have a good night or have a good day, brother. Oh, actually, yeah, it's India. It's nighttime, right? Yeah, brother. Have a good night. I don't think you live in India, but have a good night, brother. So basically, here I'm looking for. So this one I broke even. Okay. So yeah. So my take profit is right over here, chat, and this shit came right back down. So but I broke even on this trade too. So it's just I was right over here. Eventually get back up. Good night, brother. Good night, brother. So right here, boom, 5 minute. So in the hourly time frame, you set up this liquidity. So that's gonna be, let's see, my next trade. Got a deeper filter for right gap. Boom. That's man. So 1 minute time frame right here. So stop right below that. Take profit right here. Alright, so let me go make my video on this, and I'm gonna make my weekly market. Oh. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Oops. This is my weekly market recap. So basically I'm gonna go over all my trades I took this week, trades I should have taken, and trades that I missed, and what should I have done better, what should I have not done, and what should I focus on next week, right? On this week on Monday, right? We were bullish, right? So for our hourly confluence, we had a fair value gap and this huge accumulation area. But I was looking for this accumulation area to get touched back. So this trade I did not take. But I was looking for this accumulation area. I was looking for this accumulation area to get touched back, right? Which it never did. Again, right? It's because it was a 4-hour all luck. So what thing you could keep in mind, right? Is that this accumulation area or area already got touched, right? Where did it get touched again? So yeah. So this right here. Early conflict, which is this fair value gap. So now we go to the 5-minute time frame. Monday. So once you touch my hourly, fair value gap, right? I was looking for an entry, so I was looking for a breakout just to the upside, which we never had, right? So until like all the way here, so I was looking for a entry. So basically, I was looking for other confluences because you know why the breakout just followed the market. I was looking for the zone got respected, so it respected 2 times. So respectfully, we could have taken this from this, right? So right when it touches the zone, key level by the way, strong key level for the 1-minute chart. On Monday, what was it? Right? What was it? Tuesday. This is Monday right here, right? So once that's my key level, what I'm looking for is the breakout structure. Got it. Entry there. Touch up right here. And I'm using like what? On this trade, I would have been using 1.35 loss size, right? And I would have one TP right over here, which I'd have gotten hit after the right after hit my TP1, right? I would have basically tried my stop loss, right? Basically tried my stop loss to the upside. So TP2 never got hit, but this right here is a key level, and a key level again, right to the downside. As you can see, key level to the down. I did this key level get hit. Yeah, so basically 5-minute key level got smashed, you know what I'm saying? Got hit, came back down, right? So what I would have done after my take profit 1, I would have just basically tried my stop loss to the upside, right? Let's say it got out, right? So let's just like that, right? That'll be the Monday trade. So what could we do in Monday trade? So what could we do in this is that I didn't take the trade. I should have taken the trade because I was looking for this 4-hour order to get touched, but never did, right? So it just went higher. So that's what I could have done better, right? On Monday trade, right? We could have basically done this. We already touched that you already filled the hourly fair value gap in most of the way in, right? Got a lot of orders already, right? You already touched the accumulation area, right? So we don't really need the accumulation area to get touched back. And plus, we already have an hourly confluence. So where do we need the hourly confluence to get hit back, right? I'm saying, so we already have an hourly confluence. Why do we need the hourly confluence to get hit back more, right? So we already have a really strong bias to the buy side, right? Which we had couple move up, came back down, move up high, right? That's that. And let me see 15-minute time frame on this one. So yeah, basically would have been up over here. So on Tuesday, we did have a setup. I didn't take the setup. So basically on Tuesday, I was bullish, right? So our hourly confluence as well. I have a fair value gap, order block, and a breakup block, right? So now we go to the 15-minute time frame. No, it was a 15-minute time frame. No, it was just a 5-minute time frame. So, oops. So on the 5-minute time frame, I was looking for a breakup to the upside, which we had right here. I was looking for a 5-minute confluence, which I was looking for order block, breakup block, or fair value gaps. They got touched. So once the fair value gap got touched, I'm looking for a I'm just looking for a saying a order. No, that's not there. It's over here. So all I'm looking for is just a recall it a breakout structure, which happened right over here. That's how we broke structure up. So I'll start right below the fair value gap. Right, TP1 would be right over here, this high and the other high right here. Got hit eventually, right? So right when this TP got hit, I've literally gotten out right here. You know why? The reason I would have gotten out right here was because, let's see right here. Wait, did TP even get hit? No, never mind, never got hit. So basically on this trade, on Tuesday trade, I did not take this trade, by the way. Just let you guys know, that's what I'm talking about it. Right, but we're going over the whole week, right? So basically on Tuesday, I did not have no setup, but I did have this setup after getting out of the market, right? This trade was like around like 1 o'clock, right? So basically, what could we have done better on this trade? So once I'm up like right over here, right when I leave my take profit, I would have probably breaked even. Probably been my setup would have been like right over here. So what could we have done better on this trade? Is to protect your money. You know what I'm saying? So basically, it's easier for us to lose rather than gain, right? So protect your money, like I say, right? So basically, you want to go up here, but do not try a stop loss. So I should on this trade, I should have never tried my stop loss. Basically, just put my stop right over here. So on the next day, I just got hit, right? So yeah, it did eventually get hit because the drawn liquidity was right over here, right? So basically, put my sell stop right over here. I'm saying don't. So what was the lesson for the trade? It's basically to break even and don't break even too early, and have a reason to break even. Have a reason to have a reasonable position to break even, right? So basically, my reasonable position would be over here. This 5-minute candle had a really strong. I'm saying, as you can see right here. Boom. That was a really strong bullish. That was a really strong bearish candle to the downside. Boom. That caused it to go down, right? So that's why I break even, but do not try a stop loss, such as break even, which is something like right here. Next day, TP got hit, right? But on Wednesday trade, our only conflict is basically what our only conflict is this whole huge fair value gap. All the conflict fair value gap, right? My take profit would be different because FOMC. So TP1, the only TP we'll go for is right here because it's a huge order block, right? 30-minute order block, I think. So I was looking for basically, touching this order block. I'm looking for a big up structure, or I'm looking for a buy pattern to form. So my buy pattern was basically this. Right, this right here was my buy pattern. Let's say all I'm looking for is a breakout structure. So right when they touch the area, I'm looking for a breakout structure, which happened right here. So I saw right below this level. Boom. Right, my other entry would have been right here. Order block, breakup block. Right when it touched the, I'm looking for a breakup structure again, which happened right over here. So I saw right below the liquidity. Boom, TP right here, right. So could have done better in this one, and this one is get in and get out. You know what I'm saying? Because news gonna come out, right? It's a FOMC day. So basically, go for one take profit. Go for like a 30-15 minute take profit. Just get your money, get out of the market. You know what I'm saying? And another way we could have done is, I know this day was, another thing we done is this right here. Shit. Now we hit it. So that's why I go for a take profit one, right? So what could we done better on this trade? Or what could we done in this trade was basically just to fucking go for one take profit and don't play with news because the FOMC is coming out. So basically just go for a 30-minute conflict, 30-minute take profit. Just do it like a quick scalp. You know what I'm saying? Do a quick scalp, right? But on Thursday, basically, our Thursday trade was basically out of this, right? Thursday, we had a early order block, right? The bar was bullish. We had a 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap. This trade was a loss, but let's go over why. So this came out right here, called a huge move up, right? So we're looking for a breakup structure, but the market structure was not against us, right? So I was looking, it's swept the liquidity to fair value gap, right? I was just looking for a breakup structure. So right when I was looking for a breakout structure, which was like right over here, right? So I started right below this huge, so this level, there was a huge, like, so reaching level, right? And eventually, take profit was over there, right? So, how did we lose the trade? How? Why did we lose the trade? And how did we lose the trade, right? First reason, we're going against the outlet. We're going against the hourly for VI gap, right? Second reason, this key level right over here, right? Key level and hourly for VI gap, which got touched again. So, what could we do better on the trade? Is protect your money. It's easier for us to lose than rather than gain. Protect your money, break even. Man, because he touched my zone right here. So when a zone like this happens, or it touches my hourly confluence, so when usually does this when I implement, right? Implement, right? So usually when there's an hourly confluence, right, that goes against us, but that gets touched, right? But it's not my take profit, I'll break even. So what's our break even? So I have no breaks on the table. The hard, if it comes back down, it takes me out, it go lower. That's what I'm saying. You see how you touched that? You touched the hourly for VI gap, came back lower. That's what I mean by this. You know what I'm saying? So next time, what can we do better? Is to basically just break even. No, just break even, right? Break even when you see this, when you get respected. You see how this for VI got respected, and it's, and this stuff I got respected. So next time, break even, right? That's the trade. That's what we could have done better. On Friday, we had 3 setups, right? I took these 2 and I did not take this one. These 2 were both break even. No, they were losses, by the way. So on Friday, I had an hourly order block. I was looking for a 15-minute structure, but the 15-minute structure never gave me. But I had a 5-minute confluence, so I risked 0.5% on this trade. So I started right above this zone, right? First TP was the take profit was right on the end of the fair VI gap, right? So right when that happened, I was looking, this zone right here is gonna push it up higher. So this zone right here push it up right here. All they came back down. Smile the confluence, but it would be still the same thing, right? So basically, what I could have done better on this trade, or I mean, what I did do was good. Was I broke even, so break even right here, which I did good. Came back down, went back up. I made like $39 on this, right? So yeah, break even trade. On next trade I took was basically test my hourly order block, right? And the hourly for VI gap. So like, break pressure up right here and happen right here. So looking for a 5-minute confluence. So this order block and break a block. No, I mean only this order block, right? Eventually, for VI gap 2, create another order block and break a block. Touch that, right? So looking for a 100 breakout structure, which happened like right over here. This TP was right over here, right? Right over here, I broke even. Came back down, took me out, right? At break even spot, so I only made like $30, right? On this other day, so after that, it came back down. So what would have been better on this trade? So on this trade, I did good was I broke even, right? So after this, what I did good was basically I should have not broke even early. So on this trade, what I could have done better is basically to break even on time. Do not break even too early. Do not break even at stupid positions, right? Break even when there's a reason to break even, right? So right here would literally been the reason I would have break even. So right here, if I would have break even right here, I would have not had no losses, right? So basically, I didn't lose the trade, but I did break even, right? So right here, break even, came back down, took me out at break even spot, right? And the other trade was this. So you thought set up the hourly low and felt the VI gap in more. Touch that, orchestra up right here, touch the VI gap. 1 minute breakout happened right here. Take profit was right here. So I had the 15-minute candle close below that zone. So basically, that's no longer, this trade does not longer want to go higher. So came back down, get a full position, right? So what could have done better in this trade? I did not take this trade because I was saying I was somewhere else and saying I was out of the market, right? So basically I missed this trade, but I did take these 2 trades, right? So this week I took 3 trades. 1 loss to break even. So the 1 loss should have not been a loss. The 1 loss I should have learned from the loss. The 1 loss I should have break even. And I had a reason to break even because they would touch the hourly for VI gap and plus touch the hourly and plus touch the zone to get out, right? That's that. And the other thing is, what could have done better? Other thing is, don't break even too early. And have a reason to break even. So what can we carry to next week? So this is what I'm gonna carry to next week, right? Basically, don't break even too early, right? too early, right? Have a reason to break even. Have a reason. Has a reason to break early, right? I have a reason to break even, right? And the third thing is, what do you call it? I'll always say, only break even. Only break even when there is a building block. Oh my god. So don't break even too early. Only have a reason to break even, right? Don't break even when you don't don't only break even when you have a building block that gets against you, right? That's that, right? So yeah, that's the reason. That's what we'll carry to next week. So don't break even too early. Have a reason to break even, and break even at the good spot. Don't break even too early, right? So have a if there's a building block, just the building block, respect the building block, break even there too, right? That's should break even, right? That's what we can carry to next week. This is my weekly market recap for y'all. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow is Eid Iftar in your country, and again Eid with our wishes. Yeah, brother, man. Hopefully you have a good Eid too, bro, on Monday, bro. Hopefully it goes good as well, bro. But today, I don't know where I'm gonna go tomorrow. I don't know where I'm gonna go, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know where am I gonna go. I do not know where am I gonna go for Eid. I'll tell my family we should go to somewhere far away. But man, I probably not gonna do that shit. We're gonna go to some like huge roller coaster and shit. What the fuck? Hell no. Man. Hope you guys have good Eid too, man. Whoever the Muslim my chat, man. I'm a Muslim, bro. Hope you guys have a good Eid, man. Eid Mubarak. Advanced Eid Mubarak to you guys, man. Advanced Eid Mubarak to my boys. Break even too early. Don't break it too early, and break even. We have a reason to break even. Okay. And yeah, let me go over my weekly fucking crypto market recap. Oh shit, it touched my zone. Time to make money. Type shit. This is my weekly crypto market recap. So for Bitcoin, and I'm saying, as I said, like my last one, it doesn't look like it can go higher. You see rejection. As I said, this is the zone to come back to. Saying, hey, let you guys know, man. So basically come back down here. So what's the next spot for us to do is basically come back down here again, accumulate every day right here, accumulate. So what can you guys do right here? Basically to accumulate. So when it comes down here back again, just accumulate all your coins, bro. Just accumulate. This is the best accumulation spot. 65k. It's very cheap spot, bro. You guys can make a lot of money because my coins are down so much, right, bro? Just once it comes back down here, bro, chat, accumulate. Every coin you have, bro, just DCA. Because gold, call it. Because Bitcoin is just gonna eventually just get out of the zone, bro. It's gonna get out of the zone. So what I could say, just come back down here, accumulate, then go back up, right? So what's the next stop for Bitcoin? I feel like it should be back right here. It should be back right here. The next stop should be, right? 69k to 68k, 67k, right? That should be the next stop. But right here on this huge accumulation area, order block, oh Chad, just fucking accumulate, bro. Just accumulate, right? That's all you could do. And yeah. Now let's go for ETH, right? ETH was the next stop for ETH. I feel like it should be right here. So ETH should definitely come back down to right here. Then eventually accumulate here and then go back up higher to this zone right here. I'm saying that's what the next stop is. What's order 3? He touches the zone. He touches the support again. So it's the next stop will probably be like somewhere over here. For my crypto bag, it's shit into bed. So I'm not gonna lie, the next stop for this would probably be like just accumulate over here, but just go back over here and go back higher, right? Probably the next one. It's still respecting this whole trend line to the downside, which is crazy. And now my other crypto bag, which is all shitting to bed right now. So the next one for this would be ideally right over here, accumulate. So right here every day. So from now on, I'm just gonna accumulate every day now. So yeah, that's what you're gonna. This is what you guys can do to accumulate your bag. So yeah, just accumulate, man. Well now, hey, accumulation phase has started. Accumulation phase has definitely started. Is gaining power back. As I said last time, a move down should definitely happen here. Eventually go back higher. So next stop should definitely be around somewhere here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, for what's next for Solana? Solana is fucking probably say somewhere right here. Eventually go back up higher because it's probably gonna go over here before going back up higher. So probably say go over here then go back up higher. You know what I'm saying? That's what we could do for Solana. But yeah, man, this is my weekly market recap. Accumulate now, bro. Accumulation page has started, bro. You know what I'm saying? But what coin am I gonna accumulate? What coin am I gonna accumulate? It's not gonna be earned because I don't really believe in that coin no more. My new belief is right here. This is what I call, cause see how it's moving right back up. I believe this coin more. So now this coin I'm gonna accumulate way more than, you know what I'm saying, earn. So yeah, I'm gonna go accumulate it actually right after my live stream. Actually, let me see what time is it. Let me see how much how much cash I have in my bank account right now. Let me see how much I have in my bank account right now. Let me see how much I have in my bank account right now. Shit. I'm gonna accumulate today or tomorrow. Someday today. Sometime today or tomorrow. So all I'm gonna say, chat, for the next call until Bitcoin gets out of this accumulation page over here, just accumulate, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Accumulation page. So and is a discount spot. So accumulate. And actually, I'm gonna accumulate fucking right now, bro. And yeah, thank you for watching. It's my weekly market crypto recap. I'm gonna go, hey, accumulate. I'm gonna accumulate as well. So yeah, accumulate whatever coin you have, bro. Next stop should be over here. Say accumulate. Yeah, thank you for watching. Chat, I'm gonna accumulate right now, bro. Fuck it. Let me see. Let me see. Oh shit. Let me accumulate right now. 6/15. And yeah, let me go make a TikTok as well, bro. Let me go make a TikTok. So let me go TikTok. TikTok. Alright, so let me go get that photo. Let me go download TikTok, chat. I'm gonna go post that bitch too, chat. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, chat, you guys got any questions you want me to answer, chat? Any questions? I got you, man. Let me go make a YouTube video. Let me go make a TikTok video real quick. Tsa. YouTube video. Shit, it's not loading. Damn. Let me go make a TikTok. Damn, 30. What the fuck? Damn. Que nesse veio das lojas. Can I get the normal one, bro? Damn. So, what is next for Bitcoin? The Bitcoin, as I said, the next stop, as my last videos, as you can see, you know what I'm saying, I said that next stop is this huge auto block accumulation in a weekly time frame. Keep in mind, brother. All right, so this right here is where you want to accumulate. So Bitcoin right now is a really discount price. All your whatever coin you're investing right now is they're all dumping right now. So I know they're dumping, right? Because fucking look at the chart right here, right? So right now it's the best time, the best time for you guys to accumulate your coins. The best time to accumulate coins right now. It's the best time, trust me. It's the best time to accumulate coins. So whatever coins you to have accumulated right now, bro. There's that one time, like one in a lifetime opportunity. Not probably not one. Well, it's probably not a one time life. I just started so hard, but accumulate your coins. You know what I'm saying? Whatever coin you have, but it's probably down like 80%.